Hello, students! In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of adjectives. Let's learn together. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, adding depth and detail to our writing. They help us understand the qualities and characteristics of people, places, and things. For example, the meticulous scientist conducted a series of innovative experiments. Here, the word meticulous is an adjective describing the scientist. Now, let's learn the types of adjectives. First is adjectives of quality. This adjective describes the inherent characteristics or qualities of a noun. For example, the ancient, mysterious artifact held secrets that baffled even the most experienced archaeologists. Then, proper adjectives. These adjectives are derived from proper nouns and are capitalized always. For example, the sophisticated cuisine and exquisite art of the French people are renowned worldwide. Next is adjectives of number. These adjectives indicate quantity or order. For example, the committee selected 5 candidates for the final interview. Another is demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are words that modify nouns by indicating which ones the speaker is referring to. For example, this intricate piece of art, with its delicate brushstrokes and vibrant colors, is a testament to the artist's extraordinary talent. Then, distributive adjectives. These adjectives refer to each item in a group or every member of a set individually, rather than the group as a whole. For example, the curious children asked insightful questions during the science experiment. Next is interrogative adjectives. These adjectives modify nouns and are used to ask questions about those nouns. For example, which book do you think is the most challenging to read among the novels on the shelf? Then, adjectives of quantity. These adjectives indicate the extent or measure. For example, I have attended several workshops on artificial intelligence. Lastly, we have possessive adjectives. These adjectives show ownership or possession. For example, his diplomatic skills were evident in the negotiation process. Now let's look into the order of adjectives: opinion, size, physical quality, shape, age, color, origin, material, type, and last is purpose. Now, let's learn the rules of adjectives. Quantity adjectives like much and little go with uncountable nouns. Adjectives of number are used with countable nouns. Comparative adjectives use than, while superlative adjectives use the most. Always avoid double comparatives and superlatives while using adjectives. Now it's your turn to answer. Give an example of demonstrative adjectives. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.